Sometimes it's tricky to describe your user interface to the AI, and it might get confused. It might not do exactly what you were thinking. In Bitrig, you can select elements on the screen so the AI knows exactly what you're talking about. Here I have a view that shows a chart of monthly recurring revenue. It's mock data, but I feel like the top of the screen feels disjointed with the time frame segmented control, the title, the total. I kind of want all that to be in the title of the chart like you see here. I feel like that's more cohesive. So I'm going to use Bitrig's select to edit feature to make sure the AI knows exactly what I want to move. So I'll click on the target icon to the right of the simulator to go into select to edit mode. And then as you can see, things are highlighting on my screen now. So I'll go back to my prompt and I'll say move. And this is how I can craft my prompt. Now that I'm in select to edit, I can click on the segmented control. And you can see in my prompt, it says move time frame into the navigation toolbar. So again, AI knows exactly what I'm talking about. Next, we'll say move, and I've already enabled select to edit. I will click on the MRR title, and back in the prompt, you see it got added to the prompt. Now we'll type the total amount, and then we'll see the percentage change. So I want to move those three elements into the chart, and then in parentheses, I'm going to now click on the chart. So again, AI knows exactly what I'm talking about. No confusion here. These elements should feel like the title of the chart. And we'll let Bitrig do its thing for a little bit. And here are the results. You can see I got exactly what I wanted. I wanted MRR, the total, the percentage change to feel like the title of the chart, and I wanted the time frame picker to be up into the toolbar. And that was helped because I didn't have to describe the elements and hope AI knew what I was talking about. I was able to select elements so AI knew exactly what I was talking about. That's select to edit in Bitrig.